Hello and good morning, students. I am Professor D.B. Bharati. I welcome to all of you for the first presentation on the topic fund flow statement. Friends, in this presentation, the theoretical aspect of fund flow statement will be discussed. This presentation will cover the background and the basic part of fund flow statement in the form of introduction, definitions given by various finance experts on fund flow statement, different other words that can be used for the concept fund flow statement, objectives and usefulness of fund flow statement, advantages and limitations of fund flow statement, different sources of funds and application of funds, and finally the various steps to be followed while preparing a fund flow statement. The owners, organizations, and the investors, as well as suppliers, are very much interested in the analysis and interpretation of financial statements. Such analysis and interpretation of financial statements can be done by preparing a fund flow statement. Students, please remember, financial statement is one of the important tool or technique available in the hands of management to analyze the financial statements. Now the question that will arise in your mind, what is financial statement? Financial statement includes profit and loss account and balance sheet. Both are the parts of income statements. Financial statement indicates the net effect of various transactions on the operational and financial level of the organization. The balance sheet shows the financial condition of the company on a particular day or date, and it consists of various assets and liabilities of the organization. Profit and loss account is the account of expenditure and income of the company for a particular financial year. Along with these, it is necessary to prepare another separate statement, and this statement will show the changes in the assets and liabilities of the company. The comparison of balance sheet of two different periods will be done. This statement is popularly called as fund flow statement or financial position statement. Now let us move towards the definitions of fund flow statement. The concept fund flow statement has been defined by various finance experts. Some of the important definitions are: the first definition given by R.N. Anthony. According to him, the fund flow statement describes the sources from which additional funds were derived and the use to which these sources were put to use. Another definition which is given by ICWA, it is a statement either prospective or retrospective, setting out of the sources and application of funds of the enterprise. The purpose of the statement is to indicate how funds are raised and how the same have been utilized. Another two definitions are available on this presentation, on this PPT. Now let us check the other different words that can be used for the concept fund flow statement. These words are financial position statement, where funds comes in and where funds goes out statement, movement of funds statement, where got where gone statement, inflow and outflow of funds statement, etc. To wind up, fund flow statement in simple words is said as a statement that shows different sources of funds and the application of these funds. It gives us a clear and simple picture of the movement of funds between the opening and closing dates of balance sheet. Now we shall proceed to the objectives of fund flow statement. Why fund flow statements are prepared? For this, we should know the different objectives of fund flow statement and the usefulness of fund flow statement. The objectives are: fund flow statement provides the knowledge of financial condition of the organization. It provides the changes in share capital and share premium by way of increase and decrease. It gives information about the working capital and also increase or decrease in working capital to help the company in maintaining sound financial policy. Financial statements provides important information. Financial or fund flow statements also acts as a guide and suggestions that are to be made while borrowing long-term funds for the organization. Now let us discuss the advantages or benefits of fund flow statement. Fund flow statement acts as an important tool while taking important business decisions. It is possible to judge the financial performance of the business in the form of comparison. It is easy to find out the movement and flow of funds. Required or estimated working capital of the company can be determined on the basis of fund flow statement, and it helps in finding out the funds requirement of the business and its proper allocation of funds. We know that a coin has two sides. After understanding one side of fund flow statement, we can understand the other side of fund flow statement by way of drawbacks or limitations. The limitations are: financial data or figures of 2 periods or 2 years are required. Fund flow statement and its analysis is based on historical data. Future projection cannot be made on the basis of fund flow statement. Due to misleading interpretation, it is possible to manipulate financial figures, and it is not an alternative or substitute to income statement. Now let us move towards the sources of funds. How the funds are collected or how the funds are generated by the organization is the question that will arise in your mind. For this, we should know the various sources of funds. These funds are: issue of share capital in cash, issue of debentures, loan borrowed or taken from various financial institutions, inviting and accepting public deposits, sale of assets or investments, dividend received or income received, operating profit made by the organization during the current year, and decrease in working capital. The different application of funds or uses of funds are: redemption or repayment of preference share capital, redemption of debentures, purchase of assets or investments, payment of loans, payment of dividend during the year, payment of tax, operating loss if any for the current year, and decrease in working capital. Now the main important point is how to prepare a fund flow statement. While preparing a fund flow statement, 4 important steps you have to remember. Number 1, prepare statement of changes in working capital. Number 2, prepare non-current assets account as well as non-current liabilities account separately to find out missing figures such as purchase or sale of assets, profit or loss on sale of assets, depreciation, and this will be either shown in fund flow statement or adjusted P&L account. Third step will be prepare profit and loss adjustment account, and last step will be prepare finally a fund flow statement. Now, this is the structure or format of schedule of changes in working capital or statement of changes in working capital. Record all current assets, make the total, record all current liabilities, make the total, find out working capital, show the increase or decrease in the increase or decrease column, and finally find out the net increase or decrease in working capital, which will be recorded in fund flow statement. Friends, while preparing a statement of changes in working capital, you have to remember four golden rules. Number one, increase in current assets means increase in working capital. Decrease in current assets means decrease in working capital. Increase in current liabilities means decrease in working capital. Decrease in current liabilities means increase in working capital. The second step will be open all non-current assets account and non-current liabilities by taking their respective opening and closing balances. Whenever there is a change in the asset account or liabilities account, goodwill account, land and building account, machinery account, share capital account, open separate accounts. Consider all adjustments given in the problem by double entry system one by one. Close these accounts one by one, which may result either in an item of sources of funds or an application of funds, or close the remaining as well as close the remaining accounts by transferring to adjusted P&L account. The third step will be find out the operating profit. It is also called as trading profit, also known as funds generated from business operation. This can be calculated by using T format. Record all expenses, losses and amount to be written off on the debit side, income on the credit side. The difference will be either operating profit or operating loss, which will be recorded in fund flow statement. Or this operating profit you can calculate by using add back method of calculation of funds from business operation. The structure or format is given in this PPT. The next step is finally prepare fund flow statement. Please remember, fund flow statement is a statement, it is not an account, so do not apply the rule of debit and credit side. But for our convenience, we prepare this fund flow statement in a traditional format called as T format. On the left hand side, write down all sources of funds. To the right hand side, write down all application or uses of funds. Make the total of sources of funds as well as application or uses of funds. Total should be equal. Or you can prepare fund flow statement in a report format or vertical format. Record all sources of funds one by one, make the total, record application or uses of funds one by one, and total of sources and application of funds should be equal. Thank you very much for watching this video, and for numerical sums watch the next video. Thank you.